So this is part of my reality. This is the second part of my recording for my Hobonichi Weeks for 2024. That video is posted. I recorded it and will probably re-record it because my camera was on the reverse angle, so everything is backwards. But I still think it's worth looking at because it's just pretty to look at planners sometimes. I enjoy that myself. So here is are my notes pages. So I talked about how this is the Hobonichi Weeks Mega, and I went through these beginning pages in the last video, and this is how I started out the months in 2024. I had like a cover page, and what I did was, depending on what I was interested in, I did a currently section and used that to kind of track what I was doing during that time. And this is January. I matched the same highlighter as I did in the actual week section. So I used that highlighter that was the light blue for January, and that's what I used in the back and the notes pages as well. And during that first month, we always try to figure out what we're actually going to do. So I did a whole tracker in the back for habits. So I was tracking like my devotion, Bible study, my exercise, was I creating, what I was doing on social media. I was trying to take up an art habit, so I was trying to track that, self-improvement, and whether or not I was doing some reading for pleasure. So I did that in a tracker. I also did a lettering challenge every now and again during the month, and I would put it would depend on what I was trying to do. So this month it looks like I did some cursive, then some print, and then all capitals. And I was trying to track different shows that I was watching, so I created a key and then track the shows above what episodes I watched. Here, I made this fun little calendar for my nighttime activities. I wanted to track what I was doing in the evening to see what I could do to kind of make improvements or change. And I made this cute little calendar, which turned out so nice. I never could recreate it throughout the rest of the year, but for January, it was perfect. And I enjoyed that a lot, just having the ability to see that visual.